Psychology says the first letter of your name can reflect your emotional blueprint. Take the letter M, for example. M isn't loud, but it speaks volumes. People with M names often feel more than they show. They carry warmth in silence and strength in softness. They're the ones who listen without judgment, love without limits, and break without letting anyone see the pieces. They overthink, not because they're weak, but because they care too much. And M will give you all they have, even when they're running on empty. They crave deep, soul-level connections, but they'll never beg to be chosen. And if you lose them, you don't just lose a person, you lose a piece you didn't know you needed. So, does your name start with M? Tell me in the comments. And follow for more secrets hidden in psychology.